Hello buddy, this is Keith Collins with the Keith Collins team. Two updates for you today. First, I want to talk about the mPower program. This is a local program for Placer County, but a lot of counties are adopting a program very similar to this, and this information you need to know if you're thinking about doing it. So what is it? This is directly from mPower.org. mPower is a financing mechanism that allows property owners to install energy and water efficient retrofits and renewable energy systems. The financed amount is amortized and the annual amount due is added to the property tax bill. So basically homeowners can finance energy efficient improvements to the property into their annual property tax bill. Pretty awesome program. It's getting a lot of buzz. People are thinking about doing it. But what you need to know if you're real estate agent talking about this or you're a client thinking about installing this in your property and putting it into the property taxes is Fannie Mae came out with an announcement. I'm going to put this in this email here. Fannie Mae said, we won't finance a property if this has been done to the property. So if these energy efficient improvements have been added to the annual tax bill of the property, Fannie Mae will not finance the home. How does this affect you? Well, if you're a homeowner thinking about refinancing your property and you've done this, Fannie Mae won't refinance it. Second, if you're a homeowner thinking about selling your property and you've done these improvements to the property and added them to the cost of them to the annual property tax bill, any buyer thinking about buying your home that's getting financing that's going to use a Fannie Mae home loan is not going to be able to finance your property. Big problem is most buyers doing conventional financing are using a Fannie Mae product. So something to consider if you're thinking about making these improvements and adding them to your annual property tax bill. Second, this is just an update here. Front page of the Wall Street Journal today, March 20th. Yellen Debut rattles markets. Who's Yellen? Yellen is the new Federal Reserve president. She replaced Ben Bernanke. So first meeting, they meet every 6 weeks. They discuss monetary policy, and then they make a statement afterwards. That was yesterday. The statement that she basically made rattled the markets. She said that the Federal Reserve mortgage-backed security bond buying program that they've been doing over the last few years is ending. They're tapering $10 billion per month, and they believe that the program will be done by the end of 2014, this year. They also went on to say 6 months afterwards they plan on increasing short-term interest rates. What does this mean? Mortgage rates are going to go up. So based on the announcement yesterday and the reaction today, interest rates are probably up 1/8 to 1/4% in interest rate based on what they've said. A 1% increase in your mortgage interest rate is the same as a 10% increase in your purchasing power. So something to think about, knowing that interest rates are going to be moving up in the future. The Federal Reserve came out and said, we're doing it. It's happening. It's here. Rates are going up. So if you're thinking about buying a home in the next 6 months to a year, you may want to revisit that and accelerate that buying timeline. Keith Collins, Alpine Mortgage Planning, 916-253-7820, 916-253-7820. Hope everybody has an awesome week. Thank you so much for tuning in. Take care.